Good morning. It is 4:43 a.m. and we are getting ready to head back on our adventures. We are booked on a ferry at 9:45. We're currently in Hertford, so we've got about a 2-hour drive to Dover. So yeah, we're up nice and early, aren't we, Nick? Yep. Luna is not impressed in the slightest. Are you, Pudding? Are you impressed? That's a fuming face. Anyway, we're going to get ready, get on the road and hopefully get there in time. Excuse the eyes, but first diesel pump up for the trip. Oh, how many of these is it going to take to get down to Spain? I don't know if you can tell, but I am seriously glassy-eyed because we just went to Tesco, so we were almost at Dover, about 20 minutes away, and I thought, right, I'll jump in the back now and get the passports because we were going to Tesco just for some last minute bits. Got to Tesco, did the shopping, went in the back to find the passports, and there was no passport for Nick. He'd had it out a few days ago, and then also with £500 of euros. So we've literally had the van upside down. As you can see, all the meds are out all over the bed. All the cupboards were pulled out, and it turned out that I actually had hidden it in the top clothes cupboard in amongst t-shirts. So it was a whole big drama, of course it was, so a little bit stressed. We're here at the port now. We've managed to meet back up with Andy again because we were like, Andy, just go. We're not going to be able to go away. But yeah, it's all sorted, and hopefully smooth sailing from here. Right, so we've just had our goodbye with Mr. Murley, who we will be seeing in January, hopefully. They're flying out to Morocco, so that should be really cool. We're just waiting to get off the ferry. It was really smoothest crossing we've ever had, wasn't it? Yeah.
It's a hybrid boat though, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, I found out off the barman who gave me a Lotus Biscoff cheesecake right here. He said it's a brand new boat and it's a hybrid. So yeah, I don't know whether, I mean, we're even doing it eco-friendly, right? Totally clueless that was what was going on. But yeah, looking just as miserable, I always say this, looking just as miserable on the way off the boat as it was when we got on. So we've put Peníscola in the sat-nav as our like sort of head-to place. So there's 995 miles. And if we were to drive from now, we'd get there at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So needless to say, we'll be making some stops along the way. I reckon we'll do a couple, maybe. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I'm pretty tired to be honest.
See how it goes. These ones fell asleep on the boat. Right, anyway, we're about to come off. Catch you in a minute. Bye bye! Bonjour, Nick!
Bonjour.
Right, so we've arrived. I found a really quite decent park up. We are southwest of Paris. So I'll show you where we are. It was literally, it said on the park for night that there is one space available. So we were like, oh, I don't know whether we're going to be able to get this space. But luckily, check it out. What a beautiful spot. We've got a bit of road noise. I'll pop the park for night reference on here, but yeah, absolutely beautiful spot. We're really going to enjoy it here because it's like right up Nick Street, right on a pond where you can have a nosy for some fishies. Who's happy is being fed and watered. Not hit the warm yet, have we?
No.
Tire her out after a long day. Right, so it's 5:30. Oh, there we go, that's better. Yeah, it's 5:30 in the evening here in France. So 4:30 back in the UK. I think I've got that right. And someone's already ready to go bed, aren't you, darling?
I'm ready to go to bed, I'm in bed.
Yeah, but you're fully clothed.
I know, because I'm cold.
And literally, he's just got in the van, got in the back,
and...
and...
4 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, I know.
On 3 hours sleep.
Yeah. You done good. Ready for tomorrow's drive yet?
Yeah. That's why I'm going to bed
What's
early.
the plan?
Get up at 3 and drive.
I did really well getting up this morning, so hopefully I'll do the same again tomorrow. Wish us luck. Night-night! Right, I didn't actually film us when we got up. We got up at 3 o'clock this morning and drove, sorry, still got sleep mess, and drove for about 3 hours, but both of us were that tired, we decided to pull back over. We are in Chateau de Neuf, something like that. I don't know, I think that's a wine. So we pulled over, got here about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and went to bed. It's now 10:30. So we're setting off again. Nick's just having, I just nearly said, Nick's having his final wee. Luna's having a quick wee and a boop boop. Well, I'm just getting the van prepared. We've still got a hell of a long journey ahead of us, but we've took a good dent out of it now, so we're happy. Again, we're still doing no toll, so let's get on the bloody road, man. Right, so it seems that we've found the sunshine. Yeah, we found the sunshine. We're just past midway through France now, so we're making really good progress. This one has slept the majority of the way, but yeah, we're doing really well, and we're much happier now because the sun's out. It's nice not being really cold in the front. I had my hoodie on and my shirt covering me, didn't I? It was so cold, but no hat. You've still got trousers on and still got shoes on. So until them trousers come off and be replaced with shorts, by the way, not nothing, and the shoes get replaced with flip-flops, then as far as I'm concerned, it ain't warm enough yet. Anyhow, yeah, a few more hours and then I think we're gonna stop and get some lunch. So now the sun's come out.
It's window down and I'm out, innit?
Yeah. You can at least get a tan on the right side, right?
Yeah.
In fact, saying that, your left side's in the sun too, but can you catch it through a window?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before we even get to Spain, he's going to end up bloody a deeper shade of brown than he is already. And it's 20 degrees now, yeah. So this is a bit random. We've turned onto a proper full-on farm road track. It did say it's off the beaten track, but I didn't realise this much. Right, so we've arrived just before dark, luckily, which is really nice because we actually get to see what we're going to wake up to tomorrow. Now the time is 10 to 6. Sun's gone down, it's getting really chilly, but I'm pretty happy with this. What do you reckon, Nick?
Happy.
Happy. I think Luna will be happy. Good morning. We had a really peaceful night last night. I'm aware that this is going to be really snappy, but we just want to get down to Spain. So if we make it snappy for you, it's snappy for us, right? Beautiful view outside. Nick is always ready, aren't you, darling?
Always waiting. Always.
Are you ready, Lulu?
We're always waiting.
Are you ready for some hot weather? We hit 21 degrees yesterday, 21.5, but then carried on driving and it got a bit mountainy, so it got a bit cold again. But hopefully we'll hit some proper heat today that will remain. So let's get on the bloody road. Right, so I've just been in a French patisserie to go and find our last fix of apple turnovers whilst we're in France, and I just literally jumped out of the van, went in and came out. I've just looked in the mirror and literally killed myself laughing. I've gone into a patisserie like that, and then this one was like that. No wonder the French were looking at me funny. I thought it was because I had a really French like accent, because I was at it. Anyway, I'll sort my hair out now. We are about 3 or 4 minutes from the border, so we've just hit a little bit of traffic. I'm assuming that's border traffic.
As long as it keeps moving, that's the main
thing. Officially in España. Hola!
Hola!
Next stop, Peníscola. So, we're just about coming up to Peníscola, and you've done it. Proud of yourself, darling.
Do it every year, don't I? Easy.
It's easy lemon squeezy.
I think the most difficult day was getting up after the ferry, wasn't it? Because we were knackered.
True.
And we did a 3-hour stint, didn't we? And then had to go back to bed. Well, it was a 9-hour drive that day, wasn't it? So today's been about 6.
6 hours? No, it's not. We set off at 8:30.
Yeah, it's been a long one, hasn't it?
Done 8 hours today. He's done well, good. I'm well proud. We are both pretty tired. We planned very much to sit still for a few days, bit of rest and recoup, but this time it's going to be a lot more chilled, isn't it, darling?
Yeah, we're on our own, aren't we?
Yeah, it's the first time. It's the first time that we've ever gone away in the van and started the trip with no one else to worry about or consider. So it's going to be all about us, isn't it, darling?
All about you.
I'm looking forward to that, especially if it's all about me. Just can't wait to get there, really. We've been waiting for this beautiful weather. We endured a few weeks of weather in the UK, so yeah, we're ready for this, without a doubt.
In 1 mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
We need chop. We made it. This is what we wanted. And the sun's out. I think someone might be happy to be here. Are you ready? You happy?
Happy.
Okay people, if you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you know when our next video is going to be released. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. Okay. Oh my god, I can't even.
Jennie,
one of you.
You had a bloody maroon and threw it down saying you didn't want it.
I did do that.
Yeah. That's what it's for.
Okay. Oh my god. You horrible man.
Scrap what? Your hair?
I'm assuming that's Luna's just strangled me.